Today we're going to be using an app called Drawing Pad in order to draw a cupcake. So you've got to find the app on the screen and go to New. When you go there, you might see a screen that looks like this. If you ever need to start a new picture, find the little plus sign on the sheet of paper and tap it and choose the word New from there. Now the first thing we're going to do is to create a background wall. So choose a piece of paper and look through your choices and select one. And then we're going to go to the little house at the top and choose a paintbrush. Pick a color and choose the largest brush they have. And then we're going to close the drawer and shrink down the size of your paper by pinching it. Now use that paintbrush and your finger to color in the table on the bottom half of the screen. Mine's going to be a white table with a warm colored wall. Okay, now we've got to open up that drawer again. And this time we're going to pick a paintbrush that's a little bit smaller, and we're going to draw a shape called a trapezoid. Fill in the trapezoid with that same color paint. This is going to become the paper wrapper of our cupcake. Fill it all in, use your finger. The next thing we're going to want to do is draw some lines on the cupcake paper to make it look like it has some texture. I like to use a thinner line, so you can choose whatever you like. I like the crayon. You could use a colored pencil or a marker. Pick a color, and then with your finger, draw lines that go from the top to the bottom of the cupcake trapezoid paper. The next thing we're going to do is go back to the home button and pick the paintbrush. And this time go all the way to the end where they have multicolored choices. And you might want to use one of these multicolored choices to make your frosting. It's kind of cool. If you want a single color, that's okay too. I'm swirling the frosting back and forth until it looks like my entire cupcake has been frosted. And then I think I'll add a cherry. I'm going to use a marker for my cherry. And then for the stem, I need something smaller, so I'm going to go to a colored pencil and pick a red for a red cherry stem. The last thing to do is write your name. And there's a stencil where you can actually type your name and make it look nice and neat. So write your name with the keypad, but you might not want the color that it comes out in. So you'll see that little matching color circle up at the top of the screen. Tap on that and it'll let you change the color. Just move your finger around and pick a color that you want your name to be. When you're happy with it, hit the green check. And then you can drag your name to where you would like, and you can pinch it and make it larger or smaller. And then go ahead and hit that little stamp pad to make it permanent. The last thing to do is to save this masterpiece to your camera roll. Go to the green and white arrow and choose Save Image and hit the words OK so it can be saved in your camera roll. That's all you need to do. And I'll just move the drawer so you can see how our masterpiece turned out. Good luck!